So this used to be a clock. I did keep the glass, but we're gonna turn this to like a little wall arrangement with some florals. We're gonna paint this, I think in my oil rubbed bronze, we're gonna put some Paint Pixie copper on it. I kind of want to bring out, and the paper we're gonna use, I'm gonna decoupage the glass that sits down in there, little circle. I'm gonna decoupage it, and I'm gonna put this beautiful paper, this fall beautiful paper from Riva Rose. Now my little circle thing is just a little bit bigger, so we're gonna have to fill in this part with some grayish paint. Well, let me paint this frame first because this is gonna take a hot minute. And I'm gonna use my Royal Bronze, so I'm just gonna go in with some black base chalk paint. All right, so I got black, and then what I used was, the second color is Paint Pixie's New Penny. It's like a metallic, well, you'll see. It's like a metallic orange, copper. Doesn't it look so much better? It's a little bit more matte. It doesn't have that shiny look. I got all the way around it. I think I did all the pieces parts. This is the top here. All right, so now I'm going to put this off to the side. And here is the thing, the glass. Right, we're going in with Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. It's my favorite decoupage medium. Autumn. So what I'm going to do is put some Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser there, and then I'm just going to put that all over this piece of glass. I need that. If I can line it up at the top is where I want it. I'm just kind of, I want the sides to match up more than anything. And make sure I get the house in there. I think I did good. And just press that down. And like I said, I'll be able to, even though I left the white sides on there, I don't care. I'll be able to blend that out with some pigments. I know, isn't this print so pretty? All right, so I'm gonna grab a sanding block, and all I'm gonna do, and I left the white sides on because I figured the paint will be easier to stick to the paper rather than the glass. A brayer, and just kind of smooth everything out, but it is pretty flat. I didn't have any bubbles. Okay, seriously, blend just a little bit. I'm gonna try it, I think, and then I'm gonna go in and maybe, I think it may be the green. I think it has more green, and then darker over here. See, it's darker over here. I'm just gonna take this, and this is just, I didn't seal the paper yet or anything. So I just want to kind of blot that on just so you don't see it when it's in the frame. And if somebody's looking that hard and they see it, then they're looking too hard and they're not your friends. Yeah, that looks awesome. I kind of want to do the same thing, and I might add in a little bit of that green paste to go, because this is definitely lighter over here. A little extra right there. But let's let this sit to dry, that wax to dry, off to the side. And then let's bring our frame back. So I know that I want to add in Posh Chalk Metallic Paste. Okay. Okay. So now I don't want to do like this super heavy, but I just want to bring in some of these colors. I might even grab that red over there to make, I think this will be good. All right, so I want to take like, just like a blendy brush, and I'm just going to kind of go in around I am gonna spray it just a little bit. I'm just gonna mist it. A little mist, a little water, not a lot. What'd she say? And I'm just gonna, how do I wanna do this? I think I just wanna, I don't wanna do it all over, you know, how I like to do the different colors. So I wanna incorporate all the colors from the print. So see how I just kind of, and when you get it wet, like a little bit, it just helps blend out your paint better. So see, that's all I'm starting with. Just like so, just a little bit. And then I can look at it with our picture behind it. So see how we're just bringing in some of them colors. Now I'm gonna bring in that red. I'm gonna use the same brush. And this is red alizarin. Oh, that does look pretty. Look at. Do you think I should add some? I kind of like that because we're adding florals. It's got the color of leaves in there. I kind of like it. I'm just gonna throw a coat. Jeez, I am just getting crap everywhere. Now I want to be careful over here where I have that wax. I don't want that to peel off my glass, so I'm gonna go over that real gently and just kind of like let that be. Coat I will, but we can at least get this going. And then the fun part begins. Myself. So here's the top. So we're gonna put this, like I said, I did, this fits in there almost like pretty spot on. So I don't have a whole lot of room to play. Like, it goes on there, it just fits. I see it lifting my paper up already. So I want to get it there centered. I honestly think I'm going to paint that piece of glass behind. I think that'll make our picture brighter. Why don't we do that right now? Let's go ahead and just paint a thin coat of white paint on top of that. But I still want to glue that glass on just to be safe. All right, so now my glue gun should be working. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some glue like around. All right, I'm gonna give this some more glue. All the way around. I'm being really super sloppy. Okay, what do you guys think? I love it. I almost feel like it needs a little bit of, like, I'm gonna use maybe a little bit of rubbing ball, just a little bit around here, a little light. Just a tad. This is the antique gold rubbing buff. I'm just using a little bit. All right. Now we get to do bling. So I'm thinking right here on the birds, I pulled out these from the Ultimate Rhinestone Applicator Kit. It's like this really pretty blue. I'm thinking right on the blue bird's eyeballs. And then I've got this pretty yellow. I'm just gonna put around on some of the yellow flowers. And then I got like this opal kind of color. All right, so all I'm gonna do is I'm grabbing my rhinestone picker pen from Totally Dazzled. You get one of these. What do I have on it? Oh, I have rhinestone on it. And I'm just gonna dot these little blue bird's eyes. This is B7000. You do get this in your Ultimate Rhinestone Applicator Kit. Now there's 4 little bluebirds. I'm going in with that. The eyeballs, see what I did? The blue and then the orange. And then we can add some into, like, there's an orange one, like we can put that yellow one right here in the center of that, like, daisy. And you just need like a little dab of glue. I definitely want the heart on the door. I might have to think about that other one. I really like the idea of the heart on the door. Kind of like back in time. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I inspired you to hit that thrift store and find something amazing to sparkle over. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great sparkle-filled night, everyone.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.